Good Friday morning. One of my favorite bacons, because it's cheap, is Country Farmhouse. You can get it at Walmart. At least it was cheaper before the pandemic started. It's getting hard to find bacon. If you've looked around at bacon cookers, microwave bacon cookers, there are all kinds. There are plastic ones, there are TV, as seen on TV, bacon cookers. And then I came across this ceramic bacon cooker. It looked like a mug stuck to a plate. I went to Dollar Tree. That mug was $1 and the bowl was $1. The mug fits perfectly in the center. And it fits in the microwave. So that's what we're gonna do this morning. We're gonna try out our $2 bacon cooker. Is it gonna splatter in the microwave? Is it gonna work? Let's find out. The thing with these country corn, I was gonna say country corn flour. Too much cornyware in my life. The thing with Country Farmhouse is it's irregular slices. So you're never quite sure what you're gonna get. We're gonna try and see how many slices we can get on this mug. Maybe 4 or 5. Because this isn't attached like the ceramic ones, we'll have to be careful taking it in and out of the microwave. Grease will end up inside the mug and it will end up inside the bowl. "25 seconds and counting, man. They don't look crispy. Boy, did they shrink. Boy, did they shrink. 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. All right. So the slices are definitely, well, they're cooked, but they're definitely not crispy. This is stuck together. I'm tempted to cook it a little bit more. Here's what we're gonna do. We're not done yet. I mean, they're cooked. It's cooked, but I want crunchy. Let's just push 2. See what we get. If we go the full 2, that'll be 8 minutes for 5 slices of bacon. We're going for crispy. Let's check. Oh, that looks like it might be done. Okay. That's our bacon. $2 bacon cooker. Let's take a look at the inside of my microwave. That's easily cleaned. There's a lot up there. There's a lot of grease up there, but it could be worse. The sides are pretty dry. That's not too bad. Well, they look pretty good actually. I was able to just straighten them out. We have to try a piece, see if it's crunchy. $2 bacon cooker. Here we go. Here we go. That's a little chewy. Let's try this side. Oh, that's crunchy. We did start with irregular slices. The thin ones will probably crisp up pretty fast. I just didn't have any of the regular bacon. Hey, either way, you get a mug and a bowl. Either way, you get a mug and a bowl. $2 bacon cooker. Oh, that's crispy. That's crispy. There was a little splatter in the microwave, very little. God, I love bacon. Thanks for watching.